Hello mates, magandang araw. How are you guys doing? Kamusta kayo dyan? Welcome to another video for our Techie Tuesday. This time we will be unboxing a screen and lens protector for GoPro Hero 6 and Hero 5 Black action camera with lens cup. I bought this from Amazon for only 5.88 pounds. Syempre, dun tayo sa pinakamura na di basta-basta, the cheapest, best quality options on Amazon that I found based on reviews. And let's see what's inside this box.
So, open this one quickly. So, there you go. There you go.
So it has these packagings. I think it's 2 sets per each pack, and we have here the rubber lens cup. So it looks really nice, quite decent. Yeah, looks good. And the instruction or installation manual, customer service, and leaving a review as well. So there you go. So we've got this and this, and it's lovely thick box. It's thick, isn't it? So Ultra HD clarity, smooth glass touch, harder than knife, anti-fingerprint coating, scratch resistant, rounded edges. There you go. So give me a minute, I'll try to stick it onto my GoPro and we'll see how it looks like. Here we go. Now I have it stuck on my GoPro. I've had it touched already. So yeah, I like it. Looks nice. Looks good. So good. I've got one concern about this. That's okay. So yeah, the quality is not cheap, though the price is actually on the lower end. It's not thin but not too thick as well, and it fits decently well somehow. The size of this compares on the screen and lens are perfect. So there's no free edges, no uncovered spaces on the GoPro, on the lens, and on the screen. So yeah, I love it. It's good, it's okay. On a separate occasion, I already tried using my GoPro with this screen glass protector or the tempered glass, and I like the quality. So I tried using it after applying the lenses, and then I recorded this part of this video afterwards, and I'm happy with it. It didn't affect the quality of the images and video recordings of my GoPro Hero 5 Black. And so let me show it to you guys quickly. This will work, I hope it will. So let me just put my autofocus on. Now let me show you guys when I put on the protective rubber. So yeah, it's okay, it's nice, but if you're wondering if that would fit in, or if that would be still able to fit in, even if this protective casing is on. So yeah, it's still good. I don't think it will easily fall off the lenses because it's a bit fit. So I think this is really nice. I'm happy with it. So my verdict for this, yeah, I would recommend this protective tempered glass as it is cheap, even though it did not completely stick onto the screen. That's not the end of the world. For its price, I'm happy with it. You cannot even see the corner here that did not stick actually. That's noticeable. So yeah, let me know what you think about this on the comment section below, right? And just like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right there for more helpful Techie Tuesday videos. So see you on the next one, mates. Boom.